Hey ladies, welcome to Fiercely Feminine, where we explore all things femininity. This episode will be part of the Femininity Analysis Series, where we'll discover the world of feminine expression. In this series, we'll delve into the lives of iconic feminine figures and we'll discuss the essence of their allure, providing insight into what makes them so uniquely feminine. Please note that this series doesn't prescribe a specific way to express femininity, but rather aims to uncover the unique qualities that make these individuals so captivating. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, find a cozy spot to relax, and join me as we uncover the diverse nature of femininity. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on Jia Song, a contestant on the popular Korean show Singles Inferno, who has captured the hearts of countless people worldwide. We'll break down the key points that contribute to Jia's feminine appearance and mindset. We'll analyze what sets her apart and allows her to effortlessly exude femininity. In this video, we'll be exploring both the physical as well as the intrinsic qualities that make her so feminine. Number 1. Beauty and facial features. Femininity can be found in different facial features worldwide, and it doesn't conform to a single face type. Jia is undoubtedly a beautiful woman, and when it comes to her facial features, there are distinct elements that contribute to her femininity. First and foremost, Jia's facial features exhibit softness and youthfulness. This softness is further enhanced by her rounded cheeks, giving her face a radiant and youthful appearance. Jia's eyes also play a significant role in her feminine allure. They are often described as being doll-like and are enhanced by long fluttery lashes that further draw attention to them. Her eyebrows have a soft and straight shape. Straight eyebrows or those with a softer arch are known to look more youthful. Additionally, she also has naturally plump lips that enhance her facial harmony and contribute to her overall feminine allure. Together, these elements, along with her facial symmetry, form Jia's unique feminine facial features. It is crucial to recognize that there is no singular fixed standard for feminine facial features. The presence or absence of specific facial features does not determine one's femininity. This is only an analysis of Jia's unique facial features and should not be regarded as the definitive or exclusive representation of feminine facial features or characteristics. Number 2. Feminine makeup that complements natural beauty. Jia's makeup enhances her natural features without overpowering them. She understands the art of makeup and the importance of balance, allowing her unique qualities to shine through. Although she plays with many different makeup looks, she skillfully uses it to enhance her natural beauty and never allows it to overshadow her natural features. This is an important key to feminine makeup, as feminine and elegant makeup always aims to accentuate one's natural features without concealing them. Jia's wardrobe choices are a testament to her embrace of femininity. She effortlessly pulls off dresses, skirts, and elegant ensembles that represent femininity. Her wardrobe choices celebrate her womanhood and leave a lasting feminine impression. Jia demonstrates a commitment to self-care and presents herself with poise and elegance. Every detail from her nails to her hairstyles reflects her dedication to maintaining her femininity and overall polished appearance. Jia's dedication to self-care is evident in her meticulously put-together looks. She takes her time to ensure she looks her best. Her well put-together looks not only showcase her attention to detail, but also radiate a sense of confidence. Jia has a natural grace and poise that is truly captivating. Her movements, her poise, and her mannerisms exude femininity in every step she takes. Her confident yet gentle demeanor and body language effortlessly inspire men to be captivated by her. Now let's shift our focus to the intrinsic qualities that contribute to Jia's femininity. One intriguing aspect of Jia's feminine allure is her ability to maintain an air of mystery. She reveals just enough to captivate and pique curiosity. This quality intrigues and fascinates those around her, leaving others longing for more, which adds depth and allure to her overall femininity. Jia understands the power of feminine energy. She graciously allows men to take the lead, embracing her receptive side. By doing so, she creates an environment where masculine energy can thrive. This harmonious balance not only enhances her femininity, but also ignites their inner masculinity. This balance sparks a magnetic attraction between the masculine and feminine. Jia exudes a genuine sense of self-worth and confidence. Her belief in her own value shines through, empowering her to embrace her femininity fully. Jia's radiance is rooted in her deep sense of self-worth and unwavering self-confidence. She knows her own value and embraces her unique qualities. This inner confidence allows her to effortlessly attract others with her magnetic presence. Jia's femininity is amplified by her mindset. She is not bound by a mindset focused on lack. Her positive outlook is reflected in her interactions as she embraces abundance. As we conclude our analysis, it becomes clear that Jia's femininity encompasses both outer qualities and inner values. While her captivating physical attributes, including makeup, fashion choices, and body language, contribute to her allure, they are beautifully complemented by her intrinsic qualities such as her air of mystery and receptiveness. Through her self-worth, confidence, and abundance mindset, Jia radiates a genuine embodiment of femininity. Stay tuned for more episodes in our Femininity Analysis Series as we continue to celebrate the diverse expressions of femininity. Feel free to share your thoughts and insights below. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay fiercely feminine.